Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Now choose agree and tap on this clock icon over here if it's not already on. Then tap on the plus one on the bottom and tap an hour. When you're ready, select repeat and select one of those options after that. Once daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Then click on the switcher next to bar between alarm sounds to switch on or off vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm however you want to, click on OK and choose ringtone. Now you can pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also choose ringtone, tap on all ringtones, tap on choose local ringtone, pick one of those services like file manager, scroll down, tap on agree and continue, choose allow in the pop-up, and finally pick song from your smartphone by clicking on it and tapping on the check mark at the bottom. Now you need to select apply next to it and click on OK. Now when I go back, I need to select allow in this pop-up as well, go back again, and now save my alarm by tapping on the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it and pick one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, you can always do that by holding it, clicking the light icon at the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!